Bring the heatable drawer into the installation area. Unpack the drawer by guiding a knife along the centre of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Next, you will need the plug. Attach the plug to the warming drawer. Lift the drawer into the niche, ensuring you put the cable through the niche. Inside you will find the manual and fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the 2 screws provided and a screwdriver. Open the drawer and screw the drawer into the niche. Close the drawer. Put away packaging, leaving a tidy area. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.